to draw Christmas in 2026. Let's start to make it. Making out the colors on glass panel. I am using black, cobalt blue, white, dot yellow, ultramarine blue, Persian blue, crimson lake. Mixing colors properly. Getting the first background layer in blue. Mixing little crimson lake for violet shade of sky. Adding some extra dark. Some light yellow shade for fading sun. Making snow on ground. Adding snow on ground with ups and downs. Getting some highlights in sky. Darkening the sky colors. Let's move forward for painting the trees. Adding the straight line for reference. Adding dark values for trees. Making horizontal zigzag pattern for trees. Adding one by one for each tree. awaited part of adding the snow. Adding the snow pattern on trees' branches. Complete it one by one. Light part of snow for highlights. The focus for center tree. Covering the snow on the ground. Adding grays and blue for lights and dark of snow. Making for ground ready to snow. Adding the snow pattern on ground. Let's make the lighting on trees. Using the yellow. Adding to wholesome tree. Let's add the red and orange lights. Making reflection of lights. Doesn't that look cool? What you say? Making more reflection on trees. That look awesome! The yellow shade. What you say? Adding some extra light. Adding white to light spreading. Making lights glow. Isn't that look like real one? It adds the glowing features. Some extra light. making red glow. Adding the moon. Winter is coming, so does the snowfall. Let's make it. I am using my brush to tap on the paper. Make as many as you can. Getting some highlights done. Comments and subscribe for more. Merry Christmas!